Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout natin si Sir Ronald Barcenas. Welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop, sir. Bali, itong unit na to ay may kasama na siyang bala, 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. Saka pop dyno na green gas at saka silicone oil. WA T-Rex 2011 high kappa, made in Taiwan. Ayan, naka fiber optic sight, ambidextrous manual safety. Ayan, beaver tail safety, magwell, Picatinny rail for flashlight, accessories, laser. Ayan, 30 rounder capacity magazine, metal mag, gas mag. Ayan sir, WE T-Rex 2011 high kappa T-Rex. Airsoft gas blowback airsoft pistol. Ayan, so balahan natin sir para matesting. Lagyan na natin sir ng gas, 3 to 5 seconds paglalagay ng gas sir. Inverted position, upside down dapat. Tapos lagay tayo ng bala. Okay, so testingin natin sir, 2011 high kappa T-Rex. Ito yung kanyang box. Ayan, T-Rex silver slide, made in Taiwan ng WE. Testing Sir Barcenas 2011 high kappa T-Rex. Okay, so goods na sir, nag-open slide, wala nang bala yan. Hammer down. All goods na sir, 2011 high kappa T-Rex. Unit nyo po, 5.1.